Emails with the word video in the subject line get opened on average 2 times more than the average email. And today we're going to show you how to optimize your emails to put videos in them. Video allows you to personalize messages in a very unique and unorthodox way of contacting the person that you're trying to contact. So here we go, basic email template. We've got the line right here, and we have to create a subject line. So we got to use the word video, obviously. So in capital letters, video, I always do a colon, and then I do attention to, in this case, it's Chris, it's me. So we're going to do, hey, Chris. All right, so now what is the secret weapon? Well, you got to upload the image, and you don't want to attach the image. You want to put the image into the body. And what is this image? Well, it's what people are going to click on to get to the video, because you could just link a video in the body paragraph in the text, but it's a lot less appealing. It's just a blue here. Check this out. So I'm going to highlight this, and there you go, right? We all have seen that before. It's nothing really cool, so we're not going to do that. What we're going to do instead is we're going to put a video thumbnail inside the body paragraph of this email, and when people click on it, it's going to take it right to them. Okay, so first we need the video, which I have right here. We're using Purple Virtual World's video business cards that we at Sonder Media produced for Purple Virtual. If you're interested in learning more about video business cards, you could send me a DM. But in this case, we're going to take his 2-minute video, and I already have a thumbnail picked out. And what's very important is the thumbnail doesn't need to be anything that special, but the important part is you need to make sure that the thumbnail has a play button so that they know that you can click on it. So you're going to not attach, but insert a photo, and we're going to do that right here. And you're going to bring it down to size. See, we got a play button. Again, look, this is nothing special. This is but a screen grab from the video. So now we select the image. This is the important part. You got to attach the video. Web address, you paste it, and now when you click on it, or when they click on it, it's going to send them to the video. Check out this cool video. You could even link it over there, but the thing is, they're going to be way more inclined to click this beautiful thumbnail. So let's send it. Okay, so now we have the video pulled up in the email that I attached to. So we're going to click on that thumbnail, and here it is. It opens up to this YouTube video, and we're really, really excited about this because it just makes this a quick and dirty way to get more engagements out of your emails and make email fun again.